Winter weather advice.
A while ago.
Maybe WWG.
Afternoon to tomorrow morning. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Eagle Creek at Fairbanks Station. When? From this afternoon to tomorrow morning. Impacts at 9.5 feet. Barkley and Messerly Road south of the Warren Airport in Braceville floods. Middleton Road will be threatened. Additional details at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Sun Devastation was 8.6 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this afternoon to a crest of 9.8 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 9.5 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information. The forecast.